Hey, fourth graders. Our to-do list today is going to start looking a little different. We have some students out, so um, we're going to call this our fourth grade learning at home plan. All right, and it's up here on the screen for you. We have two sections. We have a must do and a can do. So the must do items are things that you need to complete in order to not fall behind in school. Okay, so in math, you're working in your kickstand course, one lesson or practice page a day. If you're not sure what course you're in, just send me an email or send me a quick message in Dojo and I will get it to you. You also need to be working in your Fluency Playground, one lesson a day. If you finish both of those, then you can work in your Flex course. You can work in Freckle. You can play math games of your choice in that Flex course. Um, or we just introduced Some Dog, so if you need you can do Some Dog. I'm not super familiar with it just yet because we just had a couple students get started on it, so that's always an option. Um, I'll also put up a different Kahoot each week, and it will be in our Bitmoji classroom. Okay. For reading, you must complete the reading lesson for the day. Okay. This week, you guys are starting Unit 2, Week 1. Okay, so Friday will be your Week 1 assessment. You must do the Wonders to-do list for the day, and you must read to self for at least 30 minutes. That is the expectation. I sent home a reading log earlier this week. You can keep track of your reading in that reading log. Uh, you can also work in Games and Wonders. And then I put in Epic, you can do that as well. For writing, we will be starting opinion writing on Monday. And so Monday, I will have some things down here in this writing section. You can do any of those other PE, music, and STEAM lessons. Have a great weekend and happy home learning.